Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of tiny homes, where maximizing space means your coffee table is also your bed, your storage, and possibly your best friend. And today, we're diving into the Elouera, a solar-powered, ultra-modern tiny house that's so well-designed, even full-sized mansions might start feeling insecure. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Cool Ideas, where we mix technology, comedy, and some seriously cool vehicles. Hit that subscribe button now, or else your dream home might just shrink a little more. Now back to Elouera. This isn't just any tiny home. It's a sophisticated, solar-powered masterpiece built in Australia. And let me tell you, when Australians build something, they build it to last, probably because their wildlife is so terrifying. Even houses need survival skills. This beauty sits on a 10.5-meter, 34-foot trailer and stretches 8.4 meters, 27.5 feet in length, with an extra 0.6 meters, 1.9 feet for a kitchen step-out. It's 4.3 meters, 14.1 feet tall, which means for once in a tiny home, you won't feel like a hobbit in someone else's attic. Inside, it's a 2-level design with 2 loft bedrooms connected by a glass balustrade walkway. Because nothing says luxury like being able to judge your living room from above. The main lounge downstairs doubles as a guest room, so when your in-laws visit, you can graciously offer them the couch while you retreat to your elevated throne. And yes, the staircase is compact, featuring built-in polyurethane drawers for storage, because in a tiny house, every step must serve a purpose. The kitchen is where things get interesting. It's got 3 sections, full-size appliances, and even a breakfast bar that doubles as a home office. You can be eating cereal while answering emails. Talk about efficiency. There's also a hidden bulkhead air conditioner, which is perfect because tiny homes don't have room for anything that sticks out. And let's not forget the 3.5 kilowatt-hour solar panels on the roof, a 6 kilowatt inverter, and a 10.2 kilowatt-hour battery storage system. Translation: you can live off the grid while still binge-watching your favorite series. Who needs society when your house generates its own power? The bathroom is equally impressive. It's got a deep sink, a large cabinet, and even space for a washer-dryer combo. That's right, this tiny home lets you do laundry without having to visit the laundromat and make awkward small talk with strangers. And because it's Australian, it comes with a rustic outdoor shower. Because what's life without a little adventure? So if you're ready to downsize your home while upgrading your lifestyle, the Elouera is calling your name. And lucky for you, there's a link in the description to the official product website so you can check it out. See you next time, and remember, if your house is smaller than your car, you're either living in a tiny home or you seriously need to clean your garage.